Moving forward towards the method number 2, that is by using a div mode method and do the list slicing. So let me give a brief introduction that what does this method is going to do is it's going to take the two numbers, and after that it's going to return a pair of these numbers which is going to consist of the quotient and to the remainder. So over here the division and to the mode, that is the quotient and to the remainder, which we are going to get it. So what we're going to do is we are multiplying our string 1 with the division, that is up to that many times our string is going to get repeated, and plus the string 1 by the modulus, that is the remainder, that is the how many extra points we need to get covered into our string, the remaining leftovers of our string, that is the number 9 which is to the 9, and this is the 20. So it's going to get converted into the 2 times, and the 2 is going to get left out. So that's why we need this 2 to be stored into our string. So that's why we are going to use the modulus into the form of list slicing to get the 2 elements starting off it into our string. We are storing it into the string number 2, and we have them as an output.